We have with us here Monica. Monica Tata comes from the Turner Group, Vice President and Deputy General Manager, Entertainment Network South Asia for Turner International. Mr. Mazumdar, the Chairman and Managing Principal of Health Ventures, a Dubai-based company. We have Mr. Smith, President of NBC United International. Rajesh Kamath, the CEO of Colors.
Advertising to your GDP ratio is clearly an indication of your potential for growth in media. We are currently at an average of about 0.5 versus developed economies, versus a global average of about 1 of advertising to GDP ratio, and a US which is about 1.3. For an Indian investor, the media industry is growing at about an 18%, so clearly other sectors which are not growing at that rate find this as a lucrative option. And for international investors, where markets are growing in single digits, an 18% number is like a dream. So clearly that's a place to be in.
India's results post-Lehman's, post the sort of Detroit car manufacturers handout, post-Mumbai, was still a staggering 30 points above the rest of the world. So they had about 113 rating point in terms of measurement of consumer confidence. And this was a staggering 30 points against higher than the average, which ran at about 80 points. For us, it's all about having a local play. That's where our long-term growth is going to come from. So our vision for India was very much about building channels and then building content that supplies those channels. And there's a real opportunity for India almost to become our sort of factory, our media factory for the rest of the world.
India is the largest film producing market with 1,000 movies releasing annually. 3.7 billion tickets are sold annually, which is 2.5 times the size of the world's second largest market, which is USA. It is the third largest cable and satellite reach with 400 television channels. It is the third largest print market. Over 10,000 music tracks are released annually. And these are just some of the statistics of this country. So why shouldn't international conglomerates want to invest in this part of the world?
The ARPU in India is about $4 per month per home. And in the US it is well over $60. The ticket prices, as we all are aware of, in India on average is about $0.5 as against a $6.5 in the US. On the Super Bowl, the ad rate was $2 million per 30 seconds. In the IPL finals, it was about $0.1 million for 30 seconds.